when you're cutting first dance, just make sure there's the quality of the shots is there. Just because you have a long shot and it's good at one point, that doesn't mean that nobody bumps into it, nobody walks in front of the camera, it doesn't go out of focus, or the videographer doesn't adjust the exposure at some point. So you have to look at every shot, including the long shots, because your wide shot might be that there is a lot of adjustments, or maybe there's random shakes throughout. So you have to watch every point and look for those things. The other thing to watch out for, obviously, cut the beginning and the end for the song. So you want to also make sure that when the song's playing, that you're cutting on beat, and also that the cuts match the pace of the song. So if you have one shot of a close up, and it's a second long, and it's a very slow paced song, that's really not going to work well with the pace of the song. So make sure that the shots that you're using, you're cutting on beat, and you're leaving the shot up long enough to complement the pace of the song.